So before I ring some steel, I want to see where I'm hitting with my Air Lite Smith & Wesson 357. I'm using some 38 truncated cone lead powder coated bullets, and see if I hit anything. See where it's hitting. Let's start with the upper left target here. Get my camera set up. All right, let's shoot. I got a light primer strike or something. Two. See if I can nope. No bueno primers. Alright, let's see if I hit anything. These are 38 specials, I believe. It's hitting low and to the left, so I don't know if that's me. I wouldn't doubt if it's me holding it, or just the way my vision perception is. So maybe I'll aim in the top right corner and see if it's me. Okay, try it again. All right, let's go see. My whole point was here, so I don't see any groups down here, so I don't know. It's probably just me. Let's see if I can just ring some steel. Ringing the steel should be able to tell me where the general location it's hitting at. All right, so I'm gonna I'm gonna aim at the right steel target just with this, and then I'll play with the other pistols. But for now, let's see if I hit any steel with this one. Okay. Nope. Yeah. Come on. Huh. 3 out of 7, or 3 out of 6, or 7. So, yeah. I'll call that good. Got my Air Lite again. I'm shooting a reloaded aluminum bullets, truncated cone, powder coated. So, see if it hits. Well, it does hit. Horse could last a long time. And that deserves a lot of cowbell.